Hello, and welcome to our discussion on how AI will affect human lives. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is already shaping the world around us in ways that we may not even realize. First, let's talk about automation. AI is being used to automate tasks in fields such as manufacturing, transportation, and even healthcare. This can lead to increased efficiency and productivity, but it can also lead to job loss and a shift in the job market. But AI isn't just about automation. It's also being used to enhance our daily lives. For example, AI-powered virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa can help us with tasks such as scheduling appointments, making phone calls, and even ordering groceries. AI is also being used in healthcare to analyze medical data and improve diagnosis and treatment. With the help of AI, doctors can make more informed decisions and provide better care for their patients. But with all these advancements come ethical and societal concerns. For example, there's the issue of data privacy. AI relies on data to function, and there's a risk of that data being misused or mishandled. There's also the concern that AI could be used to create autonomous weapons, leading to a new era of warfare. So, what does all of this mean for us as humans? It means that we need to be aware of the potential impact of AI on our lives, both positive and negative. We need to have discussions around the ethics and regulations of AI, and make sure that AI is being developed in a way that aligns with our values and priorities as a society. But perhaps most importantly, we need to remember that AI is not a replacement for human connection and empathy. No matter how advanced our technology becomes, we will always need human interaction and emotional connection. So let's embrace the potential of AI to enhance our lives, while also being mindful of the potential risks and pitfalls. And let's make sure that we're always putting our humanity first.